Mr. Simeone Masurongodi to lead our program this afternoon with
Master of Ceremonies, dear participants, our partners, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. It gives me great pleasure to address this closing ceremony. Allow me to first convey our special thanks and appreciation to our partners, namely Westpac, Fijian Holdings, Unit Trust of Fiji, and Bank of the South Pacific. Can we all put our hands together and thank our partners? Thank you for being part of this training program and sharing important knowledge with our youths. I would also like to congratulate all of you for your dedication and active engagement in the learning experiences. I understand that your learning experience covered a wide range of topics from seeds of success and savings and investment, as mentioned earlier on by the divisional manager. Ladies and gentlemen, we are aware that especially our young people, are vulnerable in the society, and often they are the ones who are mostly exposed to all sorts of information, peer pressure, different forms of entertainment, social media, internet, and the list goes on. So it is our collective duty to ensure that our young people are empowered and guided through all available avenues and mediums to become good citizens and value what is important in life. And this workshop is exactly that we want to happen, and I'm thankful to the staff here in Nadi for organizing this workshop. We have been going throughout the country, organizing trainings, distributing grants, and I want to share with all of you that what we have observed is that there is a lot of interest that is generated amongst our young ones, which is a very good sign for us, and that's how it's supposed to be. I think the reason may be, I don't know, I may be right, I may be wrong, but the reason is that now we have appointed assistant youth officers. And there's a very easy access of reaching out to the youths, wherever you are. And I have seen myself that the structure that we have in place now, it's really working for us, for all of us. That includes yourself as well. So I hope this thing will continue, and we will continue to work with the youths of this country. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, the highest reward for man's story is not what he gets for it, but what he becomes by it. You are the master of your future. What you do and how you do it will determine what you will become. The values you uphold, the decisions and the choices you make will become your reward in future. The many stakeholders who had presented to you during the week and with the ministry's character development training program, I'm sure, and I've been told, that you are now more than confident about yourselves in seeking what you want in life and have a fair idea what you will have to do to get there. I hope this training will definitely help you in future. You must also make personal goals for your life on where you want to be, who you want to be with, and how will you get there. There will be obstacles in life, but you must be ready with a plan B and plan C. Be best in what you do, and today is a very good example. Dear trainees, as we conclude the training today, I hope that you have been able to sharpen your individual skill sets. You will now look beyond the horizon at the goals. You will set for yourselves goals that you can and will achieve. I strongly believe that you will lead with dedication and vision, while also training and empowering your friends and colleagues to become excellent leaders. And as mentioned earlier on by the divisional managers, please, when you go back, share this knowledge with your colleagues. Very important. We cannot have everybody here. We can have delegates, representatives from clubs, but it's now your duty to go back and share this with your colleagues. I challenge you to show the rest of the nation and leave you with this quote. Striving for success without hard work is like trying to harvest where you haven't planted. With these few words, I wish you all the very best in future, Vinaka, and thank you.
Luisa Turuva.